Tired of endless credit card statements? Let's explore a smarter way to shop on Amazon using the security and convenience of PayPal. While Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal, there's a clever workaround using PayPal's debit card, making your online shopping experience smoother. First, head over to PayPal and log into your account if you don't have an account. It's super easy to sign up, just follow the prompts. Next, you'll need a PayPal debit card if you don't have one already. Look for the option to apply for the PayPal Cash Card. Within your account, it works just like a regular debit card, drawing directly from your PayPal balance. Now jump over to Amazon and log into your account. Click on your account and then find the section labeled Payment Options. Here, click on Add a Card. This is where you'll enter the details of your PayPal debit card. It's important to make sure the name and billing address on your Amazon account match the details linked to your PayPal account. When you're ready to make a purchase, select your PayPal debit card as your payment method at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully used PayPal on Amazon. Enjoy the added layer of security and simplified tracking of your spending. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more smart shopping tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping!